Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically post a series of posts in groups on Facebook. First, everyone needs to get a group UID list. By MTUID software, you will be able to scan the groups according to the keywords you want. I've scanned this sample here, and I've got a list of groups here. Everyone you can export to an Excel file. So, you can filter out which groups have censorship status or which groups have non-censorship status. I will copy all the clips of this group. Then I will go to the software. MKTK software will help you manage a series of Facebook accounts. First, you want to post to groups. Go to the viral marketing section and then select the group posting feature. Here, you can paste the list of IDs that you just scanned into the group ID section. In this section, and then you save it to. Next, you set up give yourself the configuration as the maximum number of post streams of all accounts, or how many groups each account can post, and a few more options at the bottom, like posting random post, OT posting, not posting group parties. Join a group without joining, and wait time to upload photos. Finally, you choose the content that you have added to the software. After you set up the configuration, next you will select the Facebook account that you will use to post. You finally press start. Check, and you let me track the results of how the software are you. If you are interested in the software, want to see more detailed features, or want to register to, please contact me via Telegram and McTools, and or WhatsApp 84,961,184,354. I will support. Thank you for following the video, and see you in the next.